Hello students, I am Gayatri Miss and today I am going to teach you GK of class UKG and the topic name is SEECTHE, the PICTURES pictures, A&D and WRIT, right, THEI are their NAME name. See the pictures and write their name. So, dear students, in this topic, you will have to identify the picture, you will have to recognize the picture, and then you will write the name of that picture. Okay? So, the first is, see, what is this? This is a tree. So, the tree spelling TREE, 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 tree. So, dear students, trees are tall woody plants. They usually have a stem called a trunk. Trees are the largest and oldest living things on the earth. They live from thousands of years. We get various things from trees such as medicines, rubber, food, and many more things. Trees are our best friends as they clean the air we breathe. They also clean the water and the soil and make earth a better place. They give us shade which cool as during summer and also provides a shelter. So, dear students, what is this? This is a tree. Now, the next is, tell me, who is this man? Who is he? I have taught you in our helpers. He is a doctor. Who is he? He is a doctor. So, the doctor spelling is DOCTOR, doctor. What is the spelling of the doctor? DOCTOR, doctor. So, dear students, you will write doctor. So, children, a doctor is a person with the profession to treat and cure sick people. A doctor is a great friend of sick people. He always speaks politely so that the patients feel comfortable. A doctor looks after the sick person and prescribes medicines that give them relief. He is an important person. He gets up early in the morning and goes to his clinic. He works day and night. A doctor is just like God for the sick patients. We should be grateful to the doctor. Now, the next is, you can recognize which insect is this? Tell me. This is a spider. Yes, the spider spelling SPIDER. Spider. So, dear students, this is a spider. Spider is the unique insect that has 8 legs and can spin webs in the order to catch insects or prey. Spiders are one of the few species which can live in every habitat except water bodies. Spiders can kill millions of prey every year and they consume more insects than birds. Spiders have the symbolic meaning also. In many art and mythology and they are considered as a symbol of patience and power. Spiders have 4 to 8 pair of eyes, helpful in navigation and hunting. Spiders are found all over the world. Most of the spiders make webs, but some spiders do not make webs. Most of the spiders are not poisonous, but some spiders are poisonous also. The spider's web is very strong. So, now next is, tell me, dear student, which insect is this? This is the most beautiful insect. Yes, this is a butterfly. So, the butterfly spelling is Butterfly. Butterfly. Butterfly spelling is Butterfly. Butterfly. Butterfly is a very small and beautiful creature. Butterfly is a small creature hovering over flowers. Butterflies occur everywhere except Antarctica. Butterflies has 4 wings. They have the amazing power to identify a place. Butterfly has 4 wings, 4 legs and 2 eyes. The butterfly detects the smell of anything with the help of its antenna. You can see on the head. What is this? This is a antenna. Butterflies suck their juice while sitting on flowers. The group of butterflies is called flutter. The butterfly lays its eggs on the leaves of the trees. Butterflies are most beautiful insects. Now, the next is, what is this? This is a spoon. So, the spoon spelling is SPOON, spoon. So, dear students, what is this? This is a spoon. So, a spoon is a utensil consisting of a small shallow bowl, oval or round at the end of the handle. Spoons are also used in food preparation to measure, mix, stir and serving food. There are a wide variety of spoons that are made of varieties of materials also. It is also used for eating liquid or semi-liquid food which can be lifted easily, like that we eat liquid things like kheer, sevai, like this type of the items. When we eat, then what we need? We need spoon. Now, next is, tell me students, what is this? You can see in the sky. Tell me, in the daytime, we get heat, light and energy also. This much clue I have given you. Now tell me, what is this? This is the sun. What is this? This is the sun. S-U-N. Sun. Now, so dear students, sun is the source of light and energy. If there is an ocean, then humanity will not be possible on the earth. So, the entire power supply to run anything in the world is produced by the sun. Sun is the most important source of energy for life on earth. Every living thing gets their energy from the sun. So, it is the source of light and heat. Without these all the things, life on earth would not be possible. So, the sun is very important for us, for every creature. Now, next is, what is this? This is a, tell me my dear students, what is this? Recognize. When I have taught you nature beauty, that time I have explained you. Now tell me. Yes. This is a mountain. Yes, the mountain is spelling M-O-U-N-T-A-I-N, mountain. So, what is this? This is so students, mountain is a landform that rises high above the surroundings. Its top is usually round or sharp. They can be rocky. Some have trees growing on their sides, and very high mountains that have snow on their peaks. Now, the next is, this is, tell me which insect is this? This is a ladybird. Yes, this is a ladybird. Now, the ladybird spelling is L-A-D-Y-B-I-R-D, ladybird. Now, which insect is this? This is a ladybird. So, students, ladybird is a type of beetle. Some ladybirds have no spots, on other have up to 20 spots. To help defend themselves, ladybirds play dead. They also can release a yellow fluid that other birds find sticky. That ladybirds are both, that it can be male and female. A ladybirds can live up to a year long. There are two sets of wings. The outer is the hard shell for the protection, and the inner are it uses to fly. Now, the next is, tell me, this is a young one of an animal. Tell me, which animal young one is this? Yes, I have taught you. This is a chick. Chick is the young one of hen. So, young one of hen is called chick. Hen gives us egg. Hen gives us meat also. We get meat also from the hen. So, chick is the young one of hen. So, the chick spelling is C-H-I-C-K, chick. Now, chick spelling C-H-I-C-K, chick. Now, the next is, yes, tell me. Dear students, this is also young one of an animal. So, which animal young one is this? So, dear students, dog baby is called puppy. Young dogs are called pups or puppies. You can see this puppy is very cute, and the young one of dog is called puppy. So, dear students, like this, see the puppy spelling P-U-P-P-Y, puppy. P-U-P-P-Y, puppy. So, students, like this you will study at home and you will complete this work, see the picture and write their name. Thank you.